Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose hook and invitations to connect you on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on this picture, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, you click here on settings, and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. Then you click here on data privacy, and it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down, you come here to invitations to connect, you will click here. Then here you can choose who can connections invite you on your LinkedIn app, or who can send you invitation to connect on your LinkedIn app. I wish know you agree. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.